Solar companies have some unique needs when it comes to finding a CRM solution because they frequently need to track the typical side of sales and CRM where you've got your customers, sales activities, and your sales funnel, but you also need to track kind of a project management side of things, keeping track of the installs, making sure those are going on schedule. This application was designed as a template where it can add value immediately, but you can also add on to this app pretty easily to make it your own. So let's start with the executive dashboard here. Here you can see a view of all of the organization's sales in a snapshot, but you also have a view of all of your offices and teams to keep track of onboarding and capacity planning. We also have a sales manager's dashboard where you can see all of your team's solar installs right up front, as well as closed sales. And then you have a view of your sales pipeline with leads coming in and what leads are at which stages. Finally, you have a view of all of your reps to be able to track onboarding and sit to close ratios, things like that. Next, we have the sales rep dashboard. This is where the sales rep would log in. First thing they see is their commissions, their closed sales, and their install projects. And then here you can see your pipeline, new leads that are coming in, sales activities that need to be finished, and other leads that you're working on in a map view. The final dashboard is a Scout's dashboard, which is just very simple, giving the leads that this scout has, how they compare to their team, and the ability to log a new lead. So here we're going to add a new lead. This lead form can be filled out on a mobile device as well, using either Quickbase Mobile or Fastfield. But then it can also, this form is dynamic, so it changes based on what you've entered. And when you're entering the utility bill details here, all of that is totaling up top. So now we're looking at a lead that's already been filled out and closed just to see all of the components. And you'll see a few more tabs here than were in the lead entry form, including the site survey, design, project information. Let's take a look at the site survey, which can be populated when the stage hits that site survey stage. Here you're able to dictate exactly what photographs need to be captured in a site survey, and that will all appear right here in your CRM. Once that's finished, that could trigger for a design to be created. You're not going to actually build your design in Quickbase, but you request your design through Quickbase, outlining details from the lead and additional information like adders and financing options, things like that. This design record has its own set of statuses to work through. Now, once that design has been completed and approved, you've got your commissions information right here, and this instance factors in red lines and sets up 2 payments to be made, but all of this can be custom created according to your commissions model. Once a lead has a contract in place, that can automatically create the install project. And here you can assign it out to your installers, and the sales rep can keep track of where that install project is in the process. But the idea behind this application is that you're able to build now on top of what's already here. And this can be kind of a starting point for you. But then over time, you could add in not just leads and projects and tasks, but you could also include all of the other components of your solar organization.